Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the new Jaclyn Hill Valentine's Day collection, Jaclyn Cosmetics Valentine's Day collection. And so if you guys would like to see what I think about the products and how they work, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the video. Hey guys, so we're just gonna get right into it. I'm going to be trying out the Naked Wild West palette and the amazing Jaclyn Cosmetics Valentine's Day collection. This is the biggest box. It was the $65 mystery box, but I already knew what I was gonna be getting because she shared it on her stories, but baby, it is so much better in person. So let's just get right into the eyes. I already primed with my P. Louise base in 2, and we're just gonna get right into this palette. Now, I'm gonna be honest, this palette is like super neutral when the packaging to me screams like color with like bits of neutral, but it'll do. And that's literally like no shade to Urban Decay. I love their formula and their packaging. That's just my like honest opinion. So we're going to dip right into Ghost Town right here. It's like an orangey brown shade. Okay, so like I said, taking the shade Ghost Town and packing that on. And we're gonna dip into Whiskey right here and kind of deepen up that color. It's not much different, but it's a little bit darker and a little bit more cool toned, which I don't know if you know, when a shadow is cool toned, it normally makes it darker than what that same shade would be in a warm tone shade. If you guys would like to see my blending 101 video, it is right up here. Go ahead and click on that. It is one of my favorite videos I've ever done to this day. And so now I'm just taking the shade Nudie, which is like a lighter shade, and placing that up here. And the only reason I'm doing that is because we have a tacky base. So I like to take a light shade up near the brow region so it doesn't get splotchy up there. I like that to blend like seamlessly and it not be so harsh right on the brow line. And then I'm just gonna pop the shade Bud, which is the teal, and put that on my inner like third of my eye, and then do the other eye, put some lashes on, and we'll be ready to review the Jaclyn portion of this video. Okay, so now I'm taking All Lit Up, which it's one of the loose glimmer powders, and I'm gonna be popping it on like right here on my eyelid. Also though, but like look at this packaging. Baby, the details. Like this red chrome moment, I love. But I did a little more than what I said because you know your girl can't keep it natural. I popped Tex from the Urban Decay palette as a wing right there and just smoked it out a little bit. And then I added the Makeup a Murderer pigment in neon pastel blue. Oh my god, this is insanely gorgeous. Oh my god. This reminds me of like glitter powder I used to take from my mom. It was like a body glimmer as a child, and I would like put it all over my body. I would sneak in there and put it all over myself. She would get so upset. But like I don't think she was truly upset. This is like loose glitter in the best way possible. It's so fine and like reflective. It just like brought the eye look up here. It was right here, now it's up here. I'm also gonna try applying it with my finger because I want to make sure I'm thoroughly like hitting all bases. Oh wow, wow. This product is a game changer. This look is now like 30 times better. Are you joking me? Jaclyn, what is in this? This is everything. I love it. Thank you. Okay guys, so I just went off camera and put on lashes, mascara, did my base for the stuff that isn't in the collection, and did some under eyes, smoked out, that type of stuff. And now we're just going to get straight into the rest of the collection. So I'm going to be using the shade Flurries, which is the darker one, but I also want to use the other one, which is Twinkle, on my nose. Because I like a brighter highlight on the bridge of my nose and the tip. Also, I need to know, Miss Jaclyn Hill, bitch, I need to know when you are releasing blushes, because we all know you are a blush whore like me. So I need to know. I'm gonna do one side of my face without any like spray to adhere the powder to. So yeah. Also, I haven't tried her previous formula from the palettes, but this is supposed to be the same. The only ones that I tried were the like luminous powder, and I tried and I also tried the loose like beaming highlight. I don't remember what it was called. It's really pretty in like when it hits certain lighting. I'm actually gonna add Twinkle on top of it. So I'm gonna be taking Twinkle, which is like pure white almost, it looks like, and popping that on top. Ooh, cute. And I'm making sure this is really blended because I hate when like they aren't. This is adorable. I love these. These are really pretty. I feel like these are really nice for like everyday use. I look so glowy. Okay, so I'm also going to take the loose Glimmer Powder in Light Show, and we're going to take that and put it in between where my two wings are, so right there. Okay, so I'm taking the NYX glitter liner. It's just the gold one. And then I'm taking the glitter on that little liner brush because it really doesn't matter. And I'm setting it right on top. Oh my god. It's so pretty. What? Oh. Bitch, that's orgasmic. I'm sorry. Like, what? Jaclyn, you put your whole arm, foot, everything into this. I can tell. I know it's supposed to be like a cute little collection, not like anything crazy, but like this is crazy to me. So I'm excited for what's to come, because if this isn't crazy, I'm ready for really crazy. Like, let's go. So I'm going to try on the gloss first. Ideally I would like to wear the gloss, so because this look is like very not for red lips, I feel like, but regardless, we're going to try the gloss first because that's easy removal. Bam bam boom. So this is the gloss. This is the component. Again, it's stunning, like really really gorgeous. And remember, all this stuff retailed for $65. There are 8 products in this collection total, and they retail for $65. Maybe this gloss also as well. What the fuck, like this shit is beautiful. It reminds me of the smell of MAC glosses, which she was a MAC girl for a long time. It wouldn't surprise me, but that like lip gloss smell, that's what this reminds me of, truly. So this is how the gloss looks. It's stunning. Like, this collection, I'm loving it right now. The true test is going to be liquid lipsticks, and I cannot imagine her liquid lipsticks not being good, because she low-key like hates liquid lipstick. She likes more of like a tube lip. Okay, but these are the shades Clingy, Committed, and Boy Bye. Clingy, Committed, Boy Bye. This is like a true red, and I'm loving that. This is like an orangey red, and that is also everything. And this has like tones of brown, so it's like a dark browny red, and I love that. Also the names Boy Bye, absolutely. Like, even though I'm in a relationship, like, still Boy Bye. Like, I can't tell you how many times I'm like, I hate men when I have a whole man, but he's not included in that group. I hate all other men. So I'm gonna line my lips really quick, and then I'm gonna come back and try these on for you guys, all 3. I'm putting my lips at risk for you guys. My lips are gonna be hurting, but it's okay. I am lining my lips with Kylie Cosmetics Mary lip liner. It's a dark lip liner, and I'm using the shade Boy Bye first, which is the darkest one. Okay, so upon initial application, it's very thin, but also like really opaque. It seems very comfortable. Not for this look, but like this lip is super cute. I feel like if I had on a different eye, I would like love this lip 20 times more, but it's so nice. Okay, I'm back, and I look like I just got some really bad lip injections, but I did not. That is the remaining product. I look ridiculous. I'm using the KVD Outlaw lip liner. So I'm going to do the shade Committed on the outer rim, and then I'm going to do Clingy on the inner portion. Literally a true red. Oh, period. This lip combo is cute. So that is all for the liquid lips, the whole collection entirely. So let me know what you guys think of all the products that you saw on display today. I love all of them, not even joking. Like, my favorite, I think, though, has to be the Glimmer Powders, because I feel like I can just use that for so many things. I can even use it for like highlight and stuff like that if I'm wanting a more glittery highlight, which I do love. Inner corner, brow bone, anything. Like, I really could use it for anything. But I love all of them. This liquid lipstick is mad comfortable. Like, it's kiss proof. Okay, so slight came off there, like little bit, but nothing crazy, and it was the inner part where it's wet. Granted, obviously Jaclyn has learned a lot just from her first couple releases of products. Last launch went great, all the products were amazing. The launch before that was when the lipstick scandal occurred, but honestly, we don't even need to talk about that anymore. It's long done, and I think people need to move on. If you don't want to support the brand, that's one thing, but let's not drag it on and like give unnecessary hate. But yeah, if you guys like this video, go ahead and let me know down in the comments. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share with your friends, but most importantly, subscribe. Yeah, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.